everyone. I'm out in the garden and I thought I'll give you a quick tour of what's going on. Here we're looking at a container that has bell peppers and jalapeno plants, and they're nice and green. I have buds or future bell peppers coming on, and they're nice and green. I just finished watering them and spraying them with a mixture of Castile soap and water. These two containers here are my string beans. I have 2 and 5 gallon containers, and I believe there's 5 or 6 plants in each container. I forget exactly how many I planted, but as you can see, they're growing and pretty soon they'll be ready to harvest. This container contains lima beans on Henderson bush, and you can see I have lots of blooms and they're starting to swell, but they're not quite ready, probably in another couple weeks or so. Here, this container contains peanuts. I ordered them online. I planted them about 2 months ago. Hopefully they'll be ready soon and I'll have some to boil. I love boiled peanuts with Cajun spices. This is my zucchini. It's my second planting of zucchini for this year, and it's doing well. I have a cage around it, as you can see, and I have it staked. And I noticed earlier when I was watering, I have one future zucchini that's starting to grow. When it opens, the flower opens, I'll go ahead and hand pollinate it. This is one of my 5-tier green stalk planters. This one has a variety of black-eyed peas called Grandma McKay cream peas. I've harvested some before. They look like a smaller version of a purple hull pea. When they ripen, the hull turns a creamy white color. So my hope is that they continue to grow and they fill in this whole container. These are some of my okra plants. These are the dwarf longhorn. I actually earlier in the year cut these down in half. They were every bit close to 10 feet tall, and I didn't pull them up, but I did cut them down and they grew back. They're growing back slowly but surely, and I even have pods, so it'll be time to get out and harvest these soon. This green stalk planter is the planter I call my pepper tower. I have 3, maybe 4 different types of peppers. I think 3 inside. What you're looking at now are the Jamaican Scotch bonnet. I've harvested from these several times. They are on the 3rd row. The 2nd row has Bahamian goat peppers. None of those have come up yet. And last row has 7-pot primo, and they haven't come up yet either, but hopefully they will. This is one of my raised beds. It has purple hull peas in it. A couple of weeks ago, maybe longer, I did a video of me using a square seed planter to put my seeds in, and I also did one showing of when they came up. Now they've grown very high. It looks like pretty soon they're going to start binding, and I'll have more purple hulls coming from these soon. Hey, this is another raised bed, and this one I have lima beans, and you can see I have lots of blooms, lots of green leaves. Plants are very healthy. I am starting to get pods growing, so in a couple weeks, maybe a little bit longer, I'll have to come out and have a good harvest. I'm not sure how many, I don't remember how many plants I put in here, but it's a lot. In this container with the trellis, I have cucumbers, and the variety is called Monica, M-O-N-I-K-A. I got them from Baker Creek. These do not need to be pollinated, so they're I have lots of flowers, and I see a few small cucumbers coming in. So again, over time I should be able to come out and harvest some. In this container I have eggplant. I forget the variety. I believe it is a Black Beauty patio. I have, as you can see, little fruits starting to form. Hopefully they will continue to do so, and in a while I'll come out and have some harvests. I also have what you see is a tomato plant growing around and near it, and this is the sunburst gold cherry tomato, and I'll have to get out and get the ones that are ready to be harvested. This is my collard green tree. Living in Florida this time of year, it's not growing very big like I want it to. Later on in the fall and winter, I may cut this down and just use this container to put collard greens in. I haven't decided yet. Again, here's my zucchini. It's looking very well. I'm happy. Here, marigolds, two different types growing. It helps to, when I do have my screen doors open, to keep bugs away, and I like the smell of them. Okay, here are two more eggplants. Lots of flowers. Hopefully fruit will start sitting soon. This raised bed has bell peppers in it, lots of flowers, a few fruit starting to sit. It also has late season onions. I'm not sure if they will get much bigger than that. I'll keep trying. It's my first year really trying to grow onions, so it's a learning experience. More okra and bell pepper in this raised planter. Here in this container is Swiss chard. It's still surviving, even though I planted it a while ago. More okra. These 3 5-gallon containers or buckets will be used for my second planting of tomatoes once they get bigger. I have in this one I'm probably going to put the Florida 91, this one Brandywine, and this one the Floridate, and I'm going to trellis them on the hooks up there. Thank you for going along with me on this little tour of my garden. I hope you enjoy it. If you haven't subscribed, by all means feel free to do so. I'm trying to grow my channel, and your support is greatly appreciated. Hit the like button. Also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I update videos. And last but not least, share my videos. Every little bit helps, and that really helps my channel grow. Until next time, Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow.